Greetings, hairstylists. Mike Johles of LA Shear TV. Welcome to our free salon education channel where we help you learn and master the art of hair by the best stylists in the world. I have a strong relationship with the most successful hairdressers that don't have time to make YouTube videos until now. From celebrity stylists who've etched their brilliance in the beauty industry, television, film, and the ever-evolving landscape of style, crafting iconic looks for stars that resonate worldwide. We're presenting hair artists whose profound impact on our industry is amplified by their commanding presence on Instagram. Their transcending styles not only shape the beauty landscape, but they've also served as a wellspring of inspiration for contemporary and emerging stylists. We'll introduce you to international educators who've made a difference by journeying across the globe to personally educate and inspire stylists. Busy hair salon owners who exude an unwavering passion and deep love for the artistry of hair. From seasoned veterans to the rising stars creating a sensation. We're bringing you LA's most sought-after hairstylists, a blend of experience and emerging talent that's setting the industry abuzz. The goal of this channel is to showcase these hair legends so you get to know their challenges, stories, and history so you have a connection with them on a personal level like I do. Discover their signature iconic haircuts and styles, as well as sage advice to help you have your own personal breakthrough for the hairstylists of today and the future generations of stylists tomorrow. For the last 2 decades, my company, LA Shear, has been supplying these hair legends with the 3 most reputable Japanese shear brands in the industry, and that's Hikari, Kasho, and Kikui. Ibiza Hair Tools is the family business and was founded by my brother Aaron Johles and has the best professional boar bristle round brush in the industry today. I distribute Ibiza to salons who retail them to their clients. Now, most stylist universe is their salon or studio. I go to all the hottest salons in LA, so I know which stylists are dominating. And we're gonna bring those hairdressers on this channel so they can teach you step-by-step haircuts, interviews, advice, trends, and the tools they love so you could learn their magic and make it your own. Remember, your vibe is your tribe, and we're all in this together. On with the show.